just like heart and happy. I can't see it. Oh, there it is. Heart, heart. Ooh, it's getting hot out here. Oh, there's another H word. Hot, hot. Our next letter is the letter I. And this is an igloo. It's made out of ice. And people live in these igloos way up north where it's really, really cold. Can you think of another word that starts with I? How about itch or iguana? This says igloo. Very good. Whoa, what is this thing? It's the letter J. And J says j, as in jet. That's a jet. That's a really fast airplane. They call them jets. Jet. Kind of like Tom Cruise and that wonderful movie from the 80s, Top Gun. They ride jets. Oh, I love kites. Oh, I gave it away. It's a kite, and it starts with the letter K. If you said K, you are correct. K says k, as in kite and kitten. Next, we have the letter L. And L says as in, that's a lamp. A lamp. And in the lamp has a light. Lamp starts with the letter L. Ooh, this next guy. Ooh, he's scary. He doesn't look human. And he has to start with the letter M. It's not a monkey. It looks like a monster. He's kind of a scary monster, but he sure does have short little arms, so I wouldn't worry about him trying to catch you. He can kind of get close, but he can't reach out and grab you because look at him. What a funny monster. Next is the letter N. And N says n. As in, that's a net. Some of you guys play basketball, and girls, that's a basketball. Net. Net starts with M. N, excuse me. Ooh, look at this. This is the letter O. And O says as in octopus. Did you guess octopus? Did you know what that was? Let me show you how you spell it. Such a fun word to say. Octopus. The next letter we have is the letter P. I don't know if you can tell, but this is my artistic rendition of a pot. When you're cooking stuff, you gotta put it in a pot, like some stew. That sounds good. All right, moving down the fence line. What comes after P? P, Q. Q says qua, as in quarter. This is supposed to be a quarter. I know, it's not real shiny. It doesn't look exactly like a quarter, but I was really trying hard. And here's how you spell quarter. Q. U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter starts with the letter Q. Oh, we know what this sound is. We know what letter this is, don't we? What is it? It's the letter R. It says rrr, rrr, as in rain. Oh, I hope it rains outside so my grass and my flowers can grow. Rain. Can you think of other words that start with R? Like run, ran, rambunctious. There's a word. Next letter. What could that be? It looks so familiar. Yes, if you said S, you are correct. And the letter S says S, as in this. Snake. Ooh, stay away from the snakes. You don't know if they're poisonous or not. Snake. Snake. Starts with S. Almost finished. We got a few more letters to go. Thanks for hanging in there. The next is not my best picture, but I did try. This is the letter T. And T says t, 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 as in, that's my foot. It's toe. A toe. Could you tell it was a toe? That's why I write the words down, so that you know it is a toe. Next, if it's raining, you gotta have one of these. Starts with the letter U that says umbrella. Keeps you dry from the rain. Umbrella. Oh, try to make sure you can see it. Umbrella. Next, this is supposed to be a violin. I know it's kind of hard to draw a violin. Kind of tough. It's the letter V, and V says b, as in violin. And violet. Next letter, what is it? You know it. You are right. Who said W? W. W says wah, as in, that's a whale. Does it look like a whale? Whale with a polka dot tail? Finding whale. Whale. Very good. What else starts with the letter W? Water. Wicked. Want. Well, who's this guy? Looks like a skeleton, but that's not right. Oh, that's right. The letter is X. That says X, as in X-ray. So when you go to the doctor, sometimes if you break a bone, they gotta take a picture of your insides, and they call it an X-ray. So it just shows all your all your bones. X-ray. Oh, what letter is this? It's the letter Y, and Y says yeah, as in yo-yo. That's a yo-yo. Looks just like a yo-yo, doesn't it? I'm not very good at yo-yos. And also, yellow. Yellow. Last but not least. Oh, this is a great letter. It's the letter Z. It says zzz, as in zebra. And when you have your jacket on, you have to use your zipper to zip it up. Zebra. Oh, I found what I was looking for. That's how you spell yo-yo. Yo-yo. All right, guys. You all did a really fantastic job on your letter sounds today. Stay in touch. Keep watching our videos. We'll be talking about some other stuff the rest of the week. Okay? This is Mr. Kelih signing off. Bye.